Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Xrsbeauty Hair. Shout out to you, XRS, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So they sent me a little paper, and you guys know, honey, I cannot remember my lines. Okay, so I like to just read off the paper anything that they want me to talk about. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the details about this unit. It has the SKU number on there. I'm not gonna read that, but the length is 20 inches. The density is 200%. The style is straight. It is in the color number 4, and it is their new clear lace and clean hairline. Okay, so as far as the clear lace, I've done the clear lace just about, I think, every single time that I've reviewed hair from this particular company. So you guys know their clear laces, honey, it's clear, girl. Okay, she's clear. Okay, can you see? She clear. Okay, so they always send me the lace, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna insert a clip, or you guys saw a clip of the lace at the beginning of the different ones, because they sent me the regular brown lace, the regular transparent lace, and then their new clear lace. And I'll probably just insert a clip that I had from a previous video because it's all the same. But yeah, their clear lace, honey, it's clear, girl. Okay, so with this particular company, their hair, the knots come pre-bleached. I did not have to bleach the knots whatsoever. I did not have to tweeze the hairline whatsoever. I had to do nothing but cut the lace and put old girl on my head. Okay, so the only thing that I kind of struggled with this unit is that I think maybe the cap is a little too big, so it kind of had some wrinkles just like right in this little area right here. So I was kind of struggling with that. It probably wouldn't have been an issue if I had somebody to help your girl out. Okay, you know, like to kind of hold while I dry and press, you know what I mean? Somebody to pull and make it fit like you need to fit. Or I had a smaller cap size. So I know that was a team, my bad, but that was the only thing that I kind of struggled just to kind of get rid of those wrinkles. And you may be able to still see a few right in here. But yeah, like I was saying, that is not an issue with the unit. That was an issue with me and just me trying to, you know, lay the wig down by myself, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, honey, she's a straight wig. Like, there are none of the things. If there is some shedding, it's just because I had to cut around here, you know, to fit these big ears. You guys know I be talking about these ears, honey. They're a struggle, girl. If you got big ears, you know my struggle. So, other than that, yeah, that is pretty much it. This unit is extremely big head friendly, so I do want to throw that out there. I don't know if it comes in different cap sizes or not, but I would definitely recommend you, if you are a smaller cap size, then you need a smaller unit because they are extremely big head friendly in my opinion. And I'm pretty sure they sent me an average cap size, and it is, like I said, it is super big head friendly. So just keep in mind, just keep that in mind when purchasing. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. If you are interested in my pros and cons, then please continue to watch. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you know I like to end on a high note. So with my con with this wig would be the issue that I had with just kind of laying the wig down, because I do feel like the unit is extremely big head friendly, and yeah, it was just a lot. It was just hard to do by myself. Like I said, I don't think it would have been an issue if I wasn't by myself and I had somebody to just kind of tug, you know, while you spray, you know, like when you go into the shop getting your hair done and they said hold this right here while I dry it down. If I had that, it wouldn't have been an issue, but it was just kind of a struggle doing it by myself, and you know I'm nobody's beautician. So if I had to throw a con out there, child, that'll be the con, okay? Okay, so my pros with this wig is gonna be the lace, honey. The lace is just everything. The lace is everything, okay? Everything. It'll also be the hairline and the fact that it came pre-bleached, and child, the hair is nice. I love the color. You guys know I love this color hair. I always tell you guys that this is the color my hair was before I decided to mess it up. Honey, if you're a younger person watching this video, don't mess up your brown hair, okay? It may seem boring to you now, but at some point you're gonna miss it, girl. So yeah, I love the color. I literally love everything about this unit, okay? I mean, just look at her, girl. Just look at her. Alright, so would I recommend this wig? Honey, obviously I would recommend this unit. Like I said, as far as the wigs go, to me, this company is like top of the line. Like, their lace is amazing. The hair is amazing. The hairline is amazing. So obviously I would definitely recommend this unit. I think it is worth every single penny. I'm not gonna hold you, sis. Like, I just would. I would recommend the unit. Cop you one. You need at least one wig from this company in your wig closet, girl. You just do. You just do. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Comment down below what you guys think. Once again, shout out to you, Xrsbeauty Hair. I appreciate you for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Xrsbeauty Hair, your natural hair.